Beautiful. Hi. Goodness, hello pumpkin pies, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. It is officially spooky season and this is my first Halloween themed video of the year. There's gonna be a bunch of them, so get ready. But anyways, yes, what's up? It's Amber. I already said that, but you know, you might not recognize me except for the fact that I have posted my bare natural face plenty of times on the internet at this point. So if you don't recognize me, you must be new, in which case, hello. I will look very different very soon. Anyways, wow, lots of rambling. So, in the spirit of Halloween, you guys know I literally love getting transformations and makeovers, and especially Halloween-themed things. So, I thought it would be fun to start with one of them, a la a fairy. I've never been a fairy before. I just thought it'd be fun. So, yeah. Bippity boppity boo. Oh, get it? Boo? Like scary? Haha. Okay. Anyways, bippity boppity boo. I become a fairy. Oh, beautiful. Wow, I should make this my Tinder profile picture. Hello. Okay, so just like every good transformation video, of course we have to start with a before. So here is a nice little before shot of me, you know. I have literally no makeup on. Oh, I have a little bit of glitter on my face. Even when I don't have makeup on, I still have glitter on my skin from God only knows what. I have a weird life. But yeah, this is my before. I turn into a fairy, so there you go. Anywhoosie, yes, this was the picture that I saw on Pinterest that inspired my fairy look. So I'm going to try to turn myself literally into this photo slightly more dressed, give or take. Are you ready for Halloween? Do you love Halloween? Oh my goodness, you're a star, I love you. Okay, by the way, I just put my Halloween decorations up, so that is a surprise for now. You guys will see them on Wednesday, but for now, let's do the fairy thing. All right, we're actually gonna hit up Party City because I'm pretty sure they have some wings, so let's see. Woo, this is so fun. Okay, let's see. Yo, Party City is lit. They have literally everything. Weirdly, I've never been to Party City. I'm gonna come here every day. This is so fun. What? Whoa! I think that these are gonna be the perfect base. We gotta get some ears. All right, I think this will work. So fun, I love Halloween. Cool, these will be perfect. All right, we popped downtown for a second and we gotta get some flowers for this. So they got a lot, shouldn't be a problem. All right, I think we're gonna go with these. And I'm also gonna get some of this glitter. TBD if this will look cute, but we'll find out. Now, of course, just since we're downtown, we're gonna go visit Benny. Hi, Benny! Oh my God, yes. The king of the world. I actually picked up some stuff for a different project while I was there, but that's for another video. So for now, here's just us being cute. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, little butt. Okay, so you can see we got 2 pairs of wings. George, you're walking on them. What are you doing? Don't eat that. No. So you can see these kind of look like kitty wings. Also, this is like trash, so definitely gonna cut that off. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead and ripped off the flowers because they were tacky. I went ahead and glued some nicer, prettier ones on there. But anyways, yeah, basically I just kind of chopped the wings up, re-glued them on to make them bigger. Honestly, it ended up being like a whole hassle, and honestly, I would just recommend buying nicer wings. But anyways, wings aside, to make the outfit, I took a nice little lace nude bra and some nice nude underwear. These are Savage X Fenty, of course, by the way, as always, yes. And I just stuck some stuff on them. You can see these are the flowers that I ended up buying, so I literally just ripped the tops off. So they were, you know, little individual flowers, used a hot glue gun, and straight up just glued them right on. Put some leaves willy-nilly wherever, put some flowers kind of wherever. I just kind of did whatever I wanted. There was no real rhyme or reason to this. I was just kind of going. So yeah, eventually it ended up nice and covered like that. I stuck some leaves onto the side of the underwear, so it kind of turned into a skirt, you know, longer leaves, some longer ones in the back. You can see like that, da-da-da-da-da-da. Put some leaves on the straps too as well, so it all eventually looked like this. So when we have it all laid out, it basically is going to look like this. Took some craft wire too and went ahead and attached those to some little bouquets of flowers because I'm going to wrap those around my ankles and hands, but you know, you'll see that in a second. I'm going to put those on my ankles and those two on my wrists. So yeah, this is basically what we got. We'll put that on later. For now, we got to do my hair and makeup. So yeah, let the transformation begin. Okay, so the first thing that I do when I am doing some sort of a costume is I put on body makeup because it just makes you look flawless. This is KKW Beauty. Rub that all over. Blah, da, da, da. And I'm not going to bore you guys with doing my makeup routine again. You guys have seen me do it a million times. It's the same thing. So if you guys want to watch me do that, I have a million videos of me doing my makeup. Voila. I'm the queen of cat eyes. Wow. Alrighty, so now that we got our regular glam all, you know, glammed, time to do some fairy glam. I'm thinking some ears, you know. All right, so you guys saw me buy these. Let's see. I have no idea how I'm going to do this. Okay. Fun fact, there is no instructions for this, so I'm just gonna do whatever. Like always. Okay. What? I really should have watched a YouTube tutorial for this. Kinda. Okay, this one is definitely messed up. I don't think this one is correct either. God, this is a mess. Okay, I look like that cow from That's So Raven. Okay, anyways, ta-da! I totally did this wrong, but that's okay. Maybe I can cover it up with my hair. I went ahead and threw on some glitter on my face. I'm gonna put a little glitter on my lips too. Pretty. Wow, I'm gonna wear this glitter on my face every day. Never put on blush. This is so weird. What do you think? You like it? Oh, I look crazy. Perfect. Okay. I'm also gonna rub some glitter all over. Ooh, yeah. That's spicy. I think I look like a fairy. Kinda. Okay. Time to do my hair. Yeah, what am I doing? I don't know. I love that literally 2 seconds ago I was just thinking I couldn't possibly look any crazier. Now I look like this. Screenshot it, save. Again, Tinder bio for sure. Okay. We're gonna put our wig on. I am not a wig expert at all. But eventually I kind of got it to work. Barbie. Oh my God, this is amazing. Then it was time to get dressed, so I put on the outfit, again, wrapped the little bouquets around my ankles with the craft wire, put some little flowers in my hair, and a quick before the grand reveal. Da-na-na-na-na, drum roll, please. Oh my goodness, are y'all ready for this? Oh my God. You guys, I'm a fairy princess. You can see the outfit itself came out so cute. It looks fabulous. Definitely a little skimpy scampy, but hey, it's Halloween and that's just the way I like it. I look like a real life fairy princess. I love it. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, fairy princess at your service. The ears are so cool. I love it. Except they're literally falling off. But who cares? It's all about the aesthetics anyway. Don't fall off, please. My hairdo isn't the greatest thing I've ever done, but you know, I did pull it back to give it that kind of Rapunzel vibe. My ears are falling off, but that's okay. I'm like Tinkerbell, except a little less dressed. Wow, I wish I had a Halloween party to go to right now. Thank God for Instagram. It's Halloween on Instagram every day, if you want it to be. Absolutely fabulous, darling. Very fabulous. The makeup honestly looks pretty banger. Maybe I'll wear blush more often. Fairy odd parents, boom. Chocolate cake, birthday cake, Timmy snake. I forget the words to that song. Overall, I would say we absolutely frickin' nailed it. Boom. Henry, you're the perfect backdrop for this. Now that's a look. Wow, I loved it. That was so fun. Ooh. Maybe I'll just be this like every day of my life. No, that's weird, isn't it? Do I care? Not really. Haha. Anyways. So there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little fairy, you know, costume transformation. I had so much fun, as I always do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. But of course, tag me if you do. Any of my DIYs, especially the costumes, I love to see. Oh my God, are any of you gonna go as me for Halloween? Oh, that's a good costume idea. Going as Amber Scholl? Yes, okay. Anyways, I'm done rambling. I think I have to sign off now because my ear is going to literally fall off. So on that note, I love you. Have a fabulous day. I will see you guys next time. XO. hello, do you need 3 wishes? Well, I'm not a genie, so I don't know why I said that. But if you follow your dreams and work hard, you too can be a grown adult making fairy costumes as her job. And that's a wrap.